When the economy is low, when things are very, very low, that's the time to invest. The Great Depression is a good period to invest. The crash is a good time to invest. When there is a recession in the economy, that is a good time to invest. That's the time to invest. It's not the time to run out. It's not the time to run away. That's the time to move in. Now, and I prove this. When there is crisis in the economy, when there is recession in the economy, there is always fear, great anxiety. There's always panic. There's always angst. That is the time people run out. They run away. They begin to sell their precious investment at a loss. Now, when people begin to run away, move out their investment, sell out their investment, smart investors move in to buy all. And that's what we are experiencing now in United States of America, in Africa, in Europe. Smart investors are moving. Now, those who normally move out, those who normally sell their stocks or dispose their properties, particularly their stocks, are those who are retailers. They are short-term investors. They just want to, sell quickly, and they are not those who invest in mass. They don't invest hugely. They just, their total investment is not usually much. Now, when those people move out, those who are smart investors, they move in. And all the time when they move in, having calculated the risk, they make a lot of money. That's the time to invest in stocks. And that's also the time to invest in real estate. The time to invest is when people are very afraid. Warren Buffett, the great investor, one of the richest in the world, is being thought forth for some years, said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy only when others are fearful." Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy only when others are fearful. Now, he was saying the best time to invest is when people are fearful and they are leaving their investment, they are selling off their investment. That's the time to move in. It's highly experienced, that old man, and has taught the world the secret of his wealth. It's in buying the stocks when others are selling. It is in the period of crisis. It is in the period of economic recession. It is in the period when the economy is at its lowest. That's when he buys. And it's not the only one. So the best time to buy is when the economy is down. When there's a downturn, that's the time to buy. Now, I will show you how there is opportunity. The difference between the rich and the poor lies in this. The rich always see opportunities in every problem. The poor see problem in every opportunity. So, now, the poor will see crisis. The rich are wise. They see opportunities. So, when there is a crisis, when there is a problem, it is not actually a problem to the smart investors, to the rich. It is an opportunity to make money. It's not an opportunity to run out, to sell off. It's an opportunity. Now you need to know that the time to invest is now, when the crisis in the economy is very, very high. And there are two reasons why the investors are very, very smart. The long-term investors are the ones who move in to buy. The smart investors, the long-term investor, those who invest hugely are the ones who move in at that time. when there is a crisis, and they make a lot of money. For two reasons. One, the time of crisis, the economic recession or depression, is a time to buy stocks or real estate at the lowest price. So when you buy at low price or at low prices, you make much money. So why must you invest during crisis? Why is it the best time? It is the best time because that's the time prices of equities or even real estate are at their lowest. Number two, why is it the best time? The economic crisis, the economic recession, why is it the best time? It's because when you buy at low price, there is low risk. That's the time when the risk is lowest. Why? Because everybody is selling. And then you go to buy at lowest prices. The prices are low. And so the risk is low. Those who are not smart, they don't know about it. That's the time to move in and buy. Wait for a long time when the market moves up, and then you make a kill. Make a lot of money.